Hi, it's me, Cynthia. As I was on my walk today, I noticed these mushrooms that I always find so interesting. I thought, I wonder what they look like underneath. So I decided to take a picture of the underside of the mushrooms. And then I got the idea to take pictures of the underside of a whole bunch of things, flowers, trees, palm trees, cactus, anything I came across. Maybe the bird of paradise, the underside of that was the most interesting. So I made this little video. I guess the artistic side of me is coming out in my older years. So here are the underside. Let's see, should we call it something artistic? The underside of nature. Enjoy!